fact, amid ongoing infiltration threats, security forces sounded high alert in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir Police, Indian Army and BSF are patrolling round the clock. Take a look.
After continuous drone attempt from the Pakistan side in last 24 hours, a high alert has been sounded in all along the border areas. We have reached here in one of our location in Araspura sector where you can see that how vehicles coming from the border area entering Jammu, that they have been frisked properly by the Jammu Kashmir police jawans over here, because they know that they have to ensure that if any drone dropping happens in this area, that has to be properly checked, because 2 days back there was a drone dropping in which weapons were recovered from the international border area in Samba, and last late night we have seen that a drone movement was spotted in Nashara of district Rajouri, in Poonch district, in Mankot, in Samba, Kathua and the Riyasi district area. So that's why high alert has been sounded, and you can see that how Jammu Kashmir police jawans, those who are guarding the the border belts, they are basically doing these searches, and they are frisking each and every vehicle coming from the border area to ensure that if any threat is there, if anything is there, that has to be recovered, because Pakistan is doing such things like dropping using drone to drop drugs as well as the weapons on the international border, so that these weapon and the drugs can be used to disturb peace over here in the Jammu and Kashmir. So that's why every vehicle has to be properly checked, frisked by the Jammu Kashmir police personnel, and this is what exactly happening after this drone movement happened in last late night in Nashara sector. We have seen that how Indian Army jawans, they opened fire on the drone movement, and they try to shut it down, because there are apprehension that such activities could also increase in such location. We will speak to the officer in charge of this location on the international border, who is ensuring that no drone activity or no any smuggling attempt could take place over here. सर, किस तरह से ये चैलेंज रहता है, और खासतौर पे मैं देख रहा हूँ पूरी नाकेबंदी आपने कर रखी है, कितना ज़रूरी हो जाता है ऐसी सिचुएशन में?
फॉगी सीज़न में चैलेंज काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंक्रीज़ हो जाते हैं, तो उसी के चलते हमारी भी जो अलर्टनेस है वो हाई लेवल की हो जाती है, और जो भी गाड़ियाँ बॉर्डर से आती हैं उनको प्रॉपर चेकिंग और फ्रिस्किंग करके जम्मू के लिए अलो किया जाता है।
जब ये ड्रोन एक्टिविटीज़ जैसे बीती रात भी काफ़ी एरियाज़ में हुई, 2 दिन पहले सांबा में रिकवरी भी हुई, तो ये ड्रोन जो है कितनी बड़ी थ्रेट है, और उससे निपटने के लिए आप लोग क्या करते हैं?
आजकल जितनी भी हीरोइन की स्मगलिंग है, वेपन स्मगलिंग है, ये ड्रोन से ही हो रही है, तो इसके मद्देनज़र हमारी जॉइंट सर्च ऑपरेशन चलते हैं BSF के साथ, और SOG भी आती है, उसके साथ हमारे ऑपरेशन चलते हैं। एंटी ड्रोन सिस्टम है, वो भी काम करता रहता है, जिसके तहत हमें कई बार सक्सेस भी मिल जाती है, तो हमारा अलर्टनेस लेवल एक हाई लेवल पे रहता है इस वक्त।
So you can see that they are clearly saying that there are so many challenges, like there is a challenge of fog, there is a challenge of this cold weather, but even after that they are ensuring that they have to thwart Pakistan's nefarious design of pushing in drugs, weapons to this side of the Jammu and Kashmir, and that's why high alert has been sounded and searches are going on. With Mandi Digra, Jajan Diyal, News 6, Jammu.
On that note, a short break.